going to be a reading for sign of Libra. So guys, hope you guys are doing well. Right now, 10 of Wands, you are feeling extremely down or exhausted. Okay, could be exhausted or down. You feel like you have too much responsibility or you have too much going on in your head right now, which you cannot manage. Top of your mind, we have 3 of Cups in the reverse. So you feel like, this connection that you are in, is not really getting to where you want it to. Okay, or not really getting back together, and you are very much drained by it. Okay, I'd say drained. If I know many of you will be like, I'm absolutely happy. Yeah, I hope you are. Okay, I really hope you are. So pretty much one more card for what's really happening in Libra's life right now. Please note that these are general readings, and sometimes it may not resonate. Okay, with the Magician, some of you have been literally trying to manifest a good connection, a healthy, happy connection, okay, balanced connection. With the Magician, you have been trying to move forward in life. You've been trying to attract good things to you. You've been trying to attract happy changes, be it financially, in terms of your relationship, be it your family, be it your health. You're trying to manifest good things in your life with the Magician here. Okay, with 9 of Swords, some of you might have problems sleeping. You have some bad dreams that are kind of freaking you out. If it's not bad dreams, then you're daydreaming some negative shit around. Okay, that you should not. Okay, with 7 of Pentacles, you feel like you've been waiting for the longest time for changes, and changes are not coming in, and you're kind of freaking out a little. Okay. So yeah, what else is coming in Libra's life, Spirit? What else is coming in Libra's life? With 9 of Pentacles, I do feel that you guys are going through a lot of changes, lots of ups and downs. Bottom card is a Tower card. So yesterday might have not been a good day. That is, I'd say yesterday is the 7th of May. Might have not been a very good day. But with Knight of Pentacles, I do see positive changes coming in, slowly but surely moving forward. Okay. Spirit, let's see what else is coming up for Libras for the next few days. Coming up for Libras for the next few days. You are feeling like someone is putting you through a lot. Okay, this could be your friend, this could be a romantic partner, this could be a ex, but someone is making you go through a lot of shit. Or it could be just the past that is kind of draining you and making you feel all pained and exhausted in some which way. But I do not feel that you're in a very good energy for the past few days. Okay. Overall, Spirit, what do we see coming up in Libra's life for the next few days? Overall, what do we see coming up in Libra's life for the next few days? One card for that, please. Overall, with the Chariot card, yes, things might not be very happening and happy around you, but I do see things moving forward in your life with the Chariot card at the bottom. Okay, so I do see that things will move forward. Give it time. Okay, don't have to freak out, and you don't have to think negative. Negative thinking attracts negative shit. You should try to understand that. Okay, and if you are on Instagram, then come follow me on Divine Soul Tarot. I speak a lot about that stuff. Okay, so yeah. So Spirit, one card for what's the main focus going to be for Libras for the next 72 hours? What's the main focus going to be for Libras for the next 72 hours? With Ace of Wands, brand new beginnings. It's going to be your main focus. For some of you, you are wanting to stay away from the past. Okay, you are so done with not just the past person, but the whole past. You're just wanting to stay away from thinking about it altogether. Okay, and with Ace of Wands being your overall focus, I see you guys wanting very wishfully to start something new in your life, be it in terms of relationships, work life, career, whatever. Okay, so one card for what's your strength going to be for the next 72 hours, Spirit? What's Libra's strength going to be for the next 72 hours? Strength is going to be justice. You are going to do the right thing and not just anything, or that is going to bring in changes, but the right thing that is going to be practical, be very thought after. Okay, you want balance in your life more than anything, and I do see that balance will come in regarded you do the right thing. Okay, With Two of Pentacles, you guys are juggling something, whether you should or should not. And I believe that you guys need to make a decision. If you keep juggling, then you will get drained eventually, because you're giving your energy to the thinking, to the idea, to the attracting certain things in your life. So you need to make a decision, darling. Okay, honestly speaking. So one card for the past for Libras, one card for the past for Libras, what was possibly happening. One card for the past for Libras. In the past, I do see that for certain few of you, that a person supposedly younger, or if it's not younger, be it water sign or fire sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, could also be Libra for some of you. I do feel that this person has had made some sort of communication, or they have put something forward. So there was some sort of thing that happened, some sort of action. Okay. So Spirit, give one more card for how is Libra's soulmate possibly thinking about Libras now. How is Libra's soulmate possibly thinking about Libras now? Someone did possibly did come forward. Okay, could be water, fire, whichever sign, but someone did come forward. You guys must have got some sort of communication. This person is wanting to make a move forward towards you with the Chariot card. Okay, with Ten of Cups, this person is very much thinking about you in a very good way, in a very happening way. Your soulmate, be it any sign, is wanting to make a move forward towards you. Okay, so whenever I say communication is coming, what I mean is that you guys might be getting communication, but emotional stuff might not be shared or not be discussed. I know many of people just come here to comment that I have not been getting communication for the 4 months and this reading is repeating. If you feel the reading is repeating, then stop watching. I'm not forcing you. Okay, seriously speaking. Okay, those comments are very annoying. If you really feel that the readings are repeating and whatever, you should stop watching tarot altogether or change your reader. Spirit, give me one more card for how Libra's soulmate is possibly going to come forward towards Libra. For the next 72 hours, how Libra's soulmate possibly going to come forward towards Libra, their energy towards Libra. This person, I believe that they were wanting to make a move towards you, but they could not possibly see a commitment happening. I'll speak what I see through my cards, that this person in the past did come towards you, was coming towards you, but not for a long-term commitment. They cannot see themselves because of some restrictions or whatever circumstances being committed to you. Ten of Pentacles is in the reverse. So how they are coming forward, I still feel on some which level that commitment is a big issue. It is. I'm not saying that they are not wanting it or nothing can happen, but it is a big issue that is like really happening. Okay. So this person, even if they come forward, I do not see commitment happening. You've got to understand that. Before commenting, I want you guys to understand that this person does want to come forward, but they do not see a commitment happening. For whatever reasons, I do not know. Okay. With Seven of Wands, this person in the past has been resisting the communication in terms of, about possible committed long-term relationship. This person has been holding back. As soon as you start certain communication about commitment, this person tends to distance themselves from you. Okay. So I still see a commitment being a huge problem in your life. No matter what other tarot readers are saying, if you connect with my readings, I do not see things going in that direction. I'm sorry. I'm very straightforward, sometimes in a very painful manner, but that's me. Take it or leave it. Okay. So Spirit, one card for what's the energy like between Libra and their soulmate now. What's the energy going to be like between Libra and their soulmate now? One card for that. You guys are both restless on each other. We have Nine of Swords here. So something tells me that even if you both want each other, this connection has been very draining in a very, restless manner. Okay, like you guys cannot really be at peace with each other. Nine of Swords, it has been extremely difficult to connect, to find peace, to find balance with each other. And right now, the both of you are thinking about each other, and you guys are wondering whether this is what you want. Even if it's making you happy, it still be a pain in the ass. Okay, that's something I see. So one card for their intentions towards you now. One card for Libra soulmates intentions towards Libra. Libra soulmates intentions towards Libra. I do feel that with Ace of Swords, you guys will get communication. This person will want to speak or share or open up about something that they are wanting to tell you for the longest time. Okay, so give me one more card for what action are they wanting to take towards you now? What action does Libra soulmate possibly want to take towards Libra? What action does Libra soulmate possibly want to take towards Libra? This person has been waiting for the longest time to tell you something. With Three of Wands, this person is waiting for changes and they are wanting to let you know about their plans. Okay, I do feel that they are wanting to let you know about their plans. With Three of Wands, it's more like, for me, like someone is wanting to let you know about their future plans or future goals or what they are wanting to do in with their life altogether. Okay, so one card for their feelings towards you. One card for their feelings towards you. Their real feelings towards Libra. Libra soulmates true feelings towards Libra, please. Most connected card in the deck, Spirit. Right now, even if they have feelings for you, this person is kind of, ignoring that or neglecting the feelings that they have for you. Okay, I believe that this person knows that they have feelings for you, but they are trying to confuse themselves. They are not really wanting to, go within themselves and, feel what they feel for you. I'll be very honest here. This person is neglecting what they feel for you. Spirit, give one more card for how do they truly feel for Libras? How do they truly feel for Libras? With Ace of Pentacles, this person does genuinely want to have a start with you. They are very much wanting to start something with you and they are very eager to make a move forward. Okay, now don't complain about commitments and this and that. This person does have intentions, but this person doesn't want to go deep, feel what they feel for you, really talk something deep shit with you. I know Libras genuinely likes someone who talks a deep shit about feelings, future plans, life goals, everything. But this person sometimes have the tendency to not get into deep conversations with you. Okay, they try to neglect it in some which manner. Okay, so one card for what can Libras possibly expect from their soulmate for the next few days? What can Libras possibly expect from their soulmate for the next few days? You will get attention from them. Trust me when I say this. You guys will get attention from your person. This person will give you attention. Okay, so one card for where this connection is moving forward for Libras now. Where is this connection possibly moving forward for Libras? Sorry. I do feel that even if this person has tendencies of not opening up about their feelings, this person in some which way will want to team up with you. This connection will kind of move forward in some which manner. Things are going to, you guys are going to take steps forward. Okay, I do feel that this person is still not going to open up about their feelings, but they are wanting your attention. They will give you their attention. There will be communication, but not exactly about feelings and whatever. Okay. So one card for what's the main blockage that's holding a Libra soulmate from opening up or wanting to make a commitment, Spirit? What's the main blockage in the connection? Blockage for some of you, I'd say that this person might want to not commit because they are wanting to keep their options open. Okay. This person in some which manner doesn't really want a strong committed relationship as of now. I'm not saying forever. As of now, this person is still not really wanting to get fixed. Okay, that this is what I see for now. Okay, so I'd speak of whichever cards I get, and from what I see, this person as of now is not really wanting to commit or get fixed. Okay, it's their call. Okay, and they feel that's right with the Queen of Swords. Spirit, give one card for what are they wanting from Libras now? What's the Libra soulmate possibly wanting from Libras? This person wants you to communicate. This person wants you to possibly invest in the connection, make changes, bring in changes, forceful changes, whatever changes. But they do want you to still manifest the connection. Okay. So what action are they waiting on? So what action are they waiting on from Libras? This person wants, I'll be very sorry, but this person really wants you to do the heavy lifting. This person somewhat holds back a lot in terms of, being a balanced partner, being an equal partner. This person somewhat believes that you should do the heavy lifting, or you should be the one who holds the connection together. Okay, this person does not really believe in 50-50 in any which way. Okay, and they are wanting you to hold them dear, nurture them, take care of them, look after them. So that's something I see. So love messages from Libra soulmate to Libra. Love messages from Libra soulmate to Libra. Darling, I please do come back to this video. I'll be posting certain links to new videos. Some other signs make it very difficult for me to post Libra readings, complaining about me not doing their readings. So I just post links to extended readings in the possible comment section. So please come back and see if I've really updated something, and please watch those readings. I won't mention them, but that's something I'm going to tell you about. Ever since I met you, no one else is worth thinking about. That's the first message. Second message we have is, I love you more. Even though they love you, they are not really expressing that shit. That's been a problem. I wish I could spend more time with you. Okay, so these are your messages from your person. So please, darling, I'm requesting you, if this has resonated with you, please support your Libra channel, like, comment, subscribe. Okay, and if you are on Instagram for regular updates about Libra and Libra readings, please follow me on Libra Vibes Only. See you soon, and please take care of yourself. I love you guys. Sometimes I may not say that because I'm an air sign. I'm not an emotional person. So yeah, thank you so much, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.